Time to upgrade. I have the T1 backlights from Govee, and today I'm upgrading to the T3 Lite, which is supposed to be a step down from the T2, but it's supposed to be an upgrade from T1. It's supposed to recognize the colors that are on your screen way better. The main difference in this is going to be the camera. The lights are pretty much the same, minus having the extra white LEDs in there that go along with it. In the box, you're going to have the LED lights themselves. You're going to have some of these orange blocks for calibration, and then of course you got the T3 camera itself. And one thing you'll notice is this is weighted, unlike the T1 version where you have to stick it using double-sided sticky tape. This does come with some sticky and double-sided tape just in case, but you don't need to use it. You will see I kept the T1 lights on here. I kept those on to do a comparison between them and the T3 Lite. But I'm going to put these on the exact same way, same direction, everything. Installation is super simple. All you gotta do is take it all out. You want to test it before you put it on the TV just in case it don't work. Peel off the sticky tape off the back. You can install these clockwise or counterclockwise. And all you're going to do is make sure you try to center them the best you can on each side that they're on. Oh, and before you stick these, make sure to wipe the dust and stuff off the back. It doesn't hurt. It helps it stick a little bit better. You're just going to work your way around, pushing the LEDs onto the TV, make sure they stick really well. And then when you go around the corners, you do like a loop, and then you're going to work your way all the way around the TV until you're pretty much done. After that, you have these little sticky clips, which you see the ones that are on the TV now are white. These ones are black, and you're going to space them out about the same, and they're just going to give a little extra protection to hold them on in case they happen to try to fall off. Next, a little black box that you plug the lights and the power source and everything plug into, and just like the lights, it just sticks right to the back of your TV. Next, I'm going to put the TV back on the wall, and we're going to start calibration. First things first, when setting up the calibration is setting up the camera. You're just going to find the middle of your TV, and you're going to place it right up there. Next in the calibration is sticking these orange blocks in these strategic spots on the TV. There's 7 blocks, and what these do is make it a lot easier for you to see the TV on the corners when you're looking through and trying to do the calibration. From inside the app, this is the calibration screen. You see these dots up at the top. You move them each to these little orange blocks that are on your TV. And once calibration is done, this is what it looks like. If you've never had TV backlights before, I highly recommend getting some. They definitely immerse you into the video. There's just something awesome about all the lights changing to what's on the screen. If you have not heard of Govee, Govee is an awesome brand. I've been using them for years. All their products are awesome, and the customer service is beyond far like what it needs to be. It is amazing. We have some LED light strips in my son's bedroom, and they stopped working after like a year, and I called them up trying to tell them what was wrong with it. It just stopped working and connecting to the app. They sent me a free one, no questions asked, just sent me a free one. And if that's not good customer service that stands behind their product, I don't know what is. If you want to see the comparison between the T1 and the T3 Lite, just let me know in the comments. And if you would like to get yourself a pair of these lights, the link's right down here in the bottom. Thank you.